Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kara from kindlyunspoken.com, and today I'm excited to be doing a new drugstore makeup haul, and get ready with me. This video has been a long time coming. I kept meaning to do it, but I would be out and about shopping and I would find another new makeup product to try out, and I always like to test things for a little while to make sure it's something that I can truly recommend. So yeah, I'm excited about today. I'm going to be sharing products from Walmart, from Target, from CVS. Everything is super affordable, and I found a lot of really great drugstore makeup finds, so I think you're going to enjoy it. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and fashion content. The first few products that I'm going to be talking about are actually all from Wet n Wild, and I am just blown away, impressed with these products. So the first product is this Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator, and it is just awesome. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the skin because it just has a really great coverage, but it also gives you like a really natural looking finish. Really like to let my natural skin shine through, and this product really does that. Moving on to the next product, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito Full Coverage Concealer. So I'm just going to apply just a little bit of product because if you pick this up, you will very quickly find that it's full coverage and you don't have to use a lot of product. You can see just how good a job that it did in covering up any darkness under the eyes, and yeah, this one is just awesome. Moving on to eyeshadow, I actually have two products that I want to talk about today. And so the first one is the Flower Petal Play Shadow Quad. So it comes with 4 eyeshadow shades, and they are all shimmer shades. Look at how pretty those are. They did have several other shades to choose from, but I really liked this one because I felt like these would be great shades as like kind of that accent color on the eyelid. And then the other eyeshadow palette that I want to talk about is from Wet n Wild. This is the Color Icon 5-pan shadow palette, and I'm going to open it up so you can see what it looks like. I love that this one has browns in it and a beige shade, so you have literally every shade you need to create a really pretty eye makeup look, and that's actually what I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eye makeup, and then we will talk about the next product. I'm just going to go in with this beige shade and just apply that all over the lid, kind of as a base color. And then I'm going to go in with the next shade up as a transition shade. And I'm just going to apply that in my crease. Moving on to this 4th shade, I'm going to apply that kind of in the outer V of my eye just to kind of give it a little bit more depth. For the accent color on my eyelids, I am going to use this other eyeshadow palette from Flower, and I think I'm going to go in with this, like, let's see what they call it, Stardust shade. I'm just going to apply that on my finger and then apply that to the lid. And you can see just how gorgeous that looks. The next product is the most gorgeous blush product from Flower Beauty. This is their Pyramids Cheek Color in the shade Rose Glow. And let me open it up for you so you can see just how gorgeous it is. So stunning. And as soon as I apply it to my cheeks, you guys will know why I'm so obsessed with it. I'm gonna take my brush and kind of swirl it around and then tap off the excess. And then I'm just going to apply it kind of the top of my cheekbone and like blend it upwards rather. Look how that just like instantly brightens up the face, adds such a pretty color. Moving on to the brows, I want to talk about the new NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. This is awesome, and I have always been a huge fan of NYX brow pencils and pens, but this is like truly their best one yet. I'm going to show you what the tip of it looks like, just how teeny tiny it is. And you can use it to create the most real looking brow hairs ever. So I'm going to apply it and show you kind of what that looks like, and it's just incredible. Next up is the Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. This lasts up to 24 hours, and this is the shade Black Violet. I don't know about you all, but I get bored with just like regular black eyeliner, and especially in the spring and summer months, I always like to add fun colors to just switch it up and add a little bit of a fun detail to my makeup look. And so I really love this shade, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the outer rim of my eyes on the bottom. Another cool thing about this eyeliner is it does have a little smudge thing on the opposite end, so you can just take that and literally just like buff the eyeliner out so that it doesn't look so harsh. Next up is a mascara that I recently discovered and I am obsessed with. This is the Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash Mascara, and honestly, like, it's right up there with my Essence mascaras, which you guys, if you saw my last video, you know that I am obsessed with Essence mascara and they're pretty much my ride or dies. But this one is awesome. It really does a great job of adding thickness and volume to the lashes, and it makes them look astronomically long. So if that's something you're looking for in a mascara right now, I highly recommend checking this one out. Last but not least, I found so many awesome lip products that I had to share with you all, and I'm gonna just start by sharing this Physicians Formula Rose All Day Glossy Lip Color. This is in the shade She's a Wild Rose, and it's just such a pretty pink shade. It is a lip crayon. It's super easy to apply, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. It feels really nice on the lips, like very nourishing and hydrating, and I just love this color. I think it's super, super pretty and perfect for spring and summer. Next up are these Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousses. I'll be honest, I picked these up because I read the name and I was like, ooh, a marshmallow lip product, that sounds heavenly. And they definitely live up to the hype. They are awesome. I picked up the shade Cotton Candy Skies. This is like a pink shade. And then this one is Fluffernutter. I just love these names. They're so cute. I'm gonna apply the Fluffernutter shade for you. It feels so good. Like when you apply it, it's just so like creamy and soft. last but not least are these Maybelline Color Sensational Cream Lipsticks. These are just the perfect shades. I know how much you guys love like nude and neutral lipstick colors, so I think you really are going to like these shades. First shade is 235 Warm Me Up, and this is probably my favorite. Look how pretty that shade is. And the other shade is Truffle Tease, which is like a nude shade. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found some new drugstore makeup products to try out. Make sure you head over to my blog post to check out all the details on all the products mentioned in today's video. And I'm actually going to be sharing a few more products that didn't make it into today's video, as well as some drugstore makeup products that I didn't end up loving. So check that out. I will link that in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time.